Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jasmine McDonald and I post ballet and fitness related videos every single week. For today's video, let's get started on our hands and our knees in a tabletop position. Let's start by doing some cat-cows to really articulate our spine. So on the exhale, bring your chin to your chest, look at your navel in a cat. And then inhale, let's look up into a cow. Again, exhale into a cat, arching our spine. And then find an inhale in our cow, looking up to the sky, let your belly fall. Let's do that 2 more times. Exhale, tuck your chin to your chest into a cat. And inhale, look up into a cow. Let's do that 1 more time. Exhale, tuck your chin to your chest into a cat. And inhale, let's look up into a cow. Beautiful. Find a neutral spine position. Tuck your toes under. Lift your hips up into a downward facing dog. And just do what feels good here, whether that's pedal out your feet, release your heels to the floor, lift them up and down. Do what feels good. On the next exhale, we're going to bring ourselves into a high plank. Inhale here. Exhale, let's go through a chaturanga position or a slow push-up position. Beautiful. Release slowly onto the floor, untuck the toes, press into the floor to look up into a cobra. Inhale, and exhale, press back into a child's pose. Let's repeat this flow 1 more time. So go ahead, shift forward into your tabletop to prepare. Tuck the toes under, lift the hips up into your downward facing dog. On the next inhale, lift your heels. On the next exhale, let's roll forward into a high plank here once again. Let's go through our chaturanga or push-up position, going down nice and slow. Untuck the toes, press the hands into the floor, looking up into a cobra, arch the back. Exhale, sit the hips back. Beautiful. Shift forward again, tuck the toes under, lift the hips up into your downward facing dog. We're going to flow back and forth between a plank and a down dog here. So find your down dog, feet together, roll forward to a high plank. Nice and long spine. Bend your knees, lift your tailbone up to lead you into a down dog. Again, tuck the pelvis, roll forward into a high plank. Bend the knees, lift the tailbone into a down dog. Let's do that 2 more times. Lift the heels, roll forward into a high plank. Bend the knees, lift the tailbone up into a down dog. In our down dog, on the next inhale, let's lift that right leg up towards the sky in a 3-legged dog. On the next exhale, you're going to shift forward into a high plank and bring the right knee towards your nose. Again, let's inhale, lift the right leg up towards the sky in a 3-legged dog. Exhale, bring the right knee to the outside of your right elbow. Inhale, we lift the right leg up. Exhale, bring it across to your left elbow. Inhale, lift it up. Last time. Exhale, thread it through and find a low lunge with your left knee still off the floor. Let's raise those arms up to the sky. Power in the back leg. Our right knee is in line with our first and second toe. Open up the arms to the side. On the next inhale, let's bring the arms up. Exhale, nice deep side bend to the back. And let's shift forward. You can gently place that left knee down in a low lunge here. Let's stretch through the right leg, sit the hips back, bring the belly button towards your thigh and reach your nose past your knee. And again, let's bend into that right knee. Feel free to take your hands on top of your thigh so you can get a nice deep stretch in the back leg in this low lunge. Beautiful. Let's stretch that front knee again into a hamstring stretch. Shifting forward, point the right toe out towards the corner of your mat. Place the left elbow down if you can. If not, you can keep the left hand on the floor. Reach the right hand up and around to grab your left foot and keep your hips nice and low here to get the biggest benefit of this stretch. Beautiful. Put your hands flat on the floor in between your legs and flip your hips towards the back. Sorry, we are facing away, but with your left leg extended, we're stretching out our hips nice and deep here. Let's lift the hips up towards the sky, hands on the floor in a nice wide-legged stretch here. Bend and stretch your knees. Do what feels good. On the next inhale, lift one hand up to the sky, twisting the shoulders. And switch sides. Lift the other hand up to the sky, twisting shoulders. Now let's walk our hands back towards our right foot. Pivot your left toe forward so that they're both parallel in a triangle position. Bend your right knee, step back into a down dog. Let's do it all from the left. Inhale, lift the left leg up towards the sky. Exhale, thread it through, bring your nose towards your knee. Inhale, lift it up towards the sky. Exhale, bring the left knee out towards the outside of your left elbow. Inhale, lift it up towards the sky. Exhale, bring the left knee towards your right elbow. Inhale, lift it up. And exhale, thread it through into a nice low lunge here. Let's lift our arms off the floor up towards the sky. Belly button to spine connection here. Open the arms to the side. Lift the arms beside your ears and let's take a nice big stretch, keeping nice and strong and stable legs. Beautiful. Walk your hands to the floor. Untuck your back toe and bend your knee to place it down gently. Put your hands on your front thigh and feel a nice deep stretch in your right hip flexor. Wonderful. Let's sit back and stretch our hamstring on the left leg. And let's bend into that left knee again, finding a nice tall back here in this stretch, in this lunge. Let's sit back, belly button to thigh in this hamstring stretch. Beautiful. Bend into your left knee once again. This time point your left toes out towards the corner. Option to place the elbows down. And let's reach the left hand up and around to grab onto that right toe. Now, once again, keep your hips nice and low here. We don't want to lift our hips up. This is not what we want to do. We want to keep the hips nice and low to get a nice deep stretch. Beautiful. Release your foot and flip your hips towards the front. Again, I apologize that we're not facing one another, but let's go straight away into that left leg triangle. So pivot your toes to face the front of your mat, stretch both knees, lift the hips up into a left leg triangle. Slightly bend into your front knee, take a step back, find your downward facing dog here once again. Do what feels good. And then release your heels to the floor and let's walk our hands back, take your feet about hip distance apart, grab opposite elbows and keep your knees slightly bent here. Shake your head yes, shake your head no, and just let your body hang. Bend deeper into your legs and roll up through each and every vertebrae. Beautiful. Find a nice wide position, knees and toes facing out, and just take a stretch here for a moment. Arms off the floor, pop your left heel, and we're going to bounce, keeping this position with your arms off your legs for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pop your right heel for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, left heel, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last time for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Place your hands on your thighs. Option to take one shoulder forward and switch sides and just feel a nice deep hip opening stretch here. Beautiful. Point your toes forward, find a forward fold. And then let's open up our toes and our knees, bend into the knees, find that grand plie second position once again to open up the hips, hands on the thighs or elbows on the thighs, whatever's comfortable. Maybe sway side to side here. And finally, let's point our toes forward, hands on the floor, heel toe your feet together, and then gently make your way down to your mat all the way on your back, legs in front of you. Let's bring the right knee in towards the chest and then open it to the side just to stretch out that left hip as well as the right to open it up here. And let's bring it back into the center. Switch legs, bring the left leg in, open it to the side and bring it back. Beautiful. Plant both feet flat on the floor here. We're going to do a little stretch in our bridge position. Feet are nice and flat on the floor. We're going to press up into a bridge. Walk your shoulders underneath you and try to clasp your hands together to open up your chest. Rotate the shoulders away from your neck and lift your chest towards your chin. Lifting your heels to find a deeper stretch here. Let's lower down nice and gentle. Give yourself a hug to counter stretch. And let's do that all one more time. See if you can bring your feet a little closer towards your seat here to get a bigger back stretch. Lift your hips, walk your shoulders underneath you, clasp your hands together, rotate the shoulders open, and bring the chest towards your chin as you lift your heels. Beautiful. Give yourself a hug here. Do what feels good. And let's rock up and down. Give yourself a big hug and roll up the length of your spine. You can put your hands underneath your hamstrings here to roll up and down. Just give your back a massage. And the last one, we're going to thread our legs behind us. Find a tabletop once again before we press up into a downward dog. Let's meet there. Beautiful. Last flow of the day. Shift forward into a chaturanga. Bend the knees, untuck the toes, and lower down. On the next inhale, press into the floor, open up the shoulders, open up the chest, arch the back, looking up. And exhale, lower all the way down. Let's press back into a child's pose before we do our final stretches of the day. Go ahead, find a seated position, right leg extended to the side, left foot is tucked towards you. Let's inhale, reach the left hand up and over into a nice side bend. Keep both sit bones down. And then let's flip our nose towards our knee. You can close off your hips a little here and reach towards your foot in a forward fold. Beautiful. Let's come back up. And then take that right leg up and across into a crisscross stretch for your glutes. Use your left elbow to hook against your right knee. Nice tall spine here. And let's place our right heel on our knee and knee on our heel. And walk our hands forward as an extra glute stretch here today. Beautiful. Let's repeat to the left. Take your left leg out towards the side, right leg tucked in. Reach the right hand up and over, nice deep side stretch. And once again, square off your hips here. Reach towards your left foot. Bring your nose past your toes, forward fold. And let's come back up. Crisscross your leg up and over. Left leg plants flat on the floor on the opposite side of your right thigh. And use your right elbow to twist against your left leg. Nice tall back. Beautiful. Let's take that left foot flat on the right knee, left knee on the right foot, and let's walk our hands forward. Amazing. Find a butterfly, grab your ankles, inhale, lengthen through the spine, exhale, forward fold here. Using your hands on your knees, bring them in to stretch your legs out in front. Inhale, lift your arms up to the sky. Exhale, nice deep forward fold here. Try to get your belly button flat towards your thighs, reach forward. And if you want to challenge yourself a little bit more, you can bring your toes up with your hands, pull them back, get a nice deep calf stretch in this hamstring stretch. And we have made it to the end of the video and the stretch. I hope you guys enjoyed this workout slash stretch slash cool down if you use it as a cool down or a warm up or just simply to move your body on a day off. Let me know how you used it and what you want to see next. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.